Hello, in this tutorial, I will teach you how to get Costco digital membership card. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Costco, you can use the link in the description and you may get discount and rewards upon signing up. So without further ado, let's get started. So right here on the Costco website, what we're going to do is to go to your account right here, and after going to your account, these options will appear. And what we're going to pick now is the Costco Pay. So just click Costco Pay. And after clicking that, this option will appear. So as you can see, you can, apply as a Costco member. And if you don't have any Costco membership, you can just buy it by clicking buy membership. And you just need to apply. And after applying, they will give you a membership number. And you will now use that number and save it right here on your Costco account in order to, in order for your number or debit card, Costco digital membership card to appear. So you just need to, save your membership number right here. And yeah, that's it. So that's how, find your digital Costco membership card. And also that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.